dropped it. I don't know, where is it? Oh, it's behind here. Oh, it's the mating. They're mating.
Two of them are fighting, I think.
No, they're definitely mating.
It's an orgy.
Maybe they are fighting.
So right outside our bungalow is looks like a cockfight, but are the birds mating or something else?
You have one watcher.
Probably the female. Oh no, they have the same color.
What do you think it is? Do you think it's a fight?
Yeah, I think they're fighting.
Oh yeah, look at the one. They're like completely pinned him down. They're using the feet for most of the fighting.
Think they would kill each other?
I don't know.
Oh, another one came. What?
It's a huge fight.
Okay.
Well, that was interesting.
Crazy. Yeah.